Ginsburg lies in state at the top of the steps at the Supreme Court. And had President Trump not gone up there today, nobody would know. Grant audio soundbite number 1 and 1A. The President and the First Lady did show up the top steps of the Supreme Court, and they were greeted with a bunch of chanting, rude, insufferable protesters. What are they talking about? Honor her wish. We'll get to that in just a moment. They were also booing and chanting, vote him out. Listen to this. These people, I mean, they can't have a wake. They cannot have a funeral. They can't have a memorial without acting out, without politicizing virtually everything. And people on our side, we need to make sure that the Democrats show people who they really are. They do every day. Don't you think the American people ought to know by now who the Democrats are? Don't you think by now the Democrats ought to barely be struggling to get 30% of the vote based on who they are? But no, they're guaranteed to get 40 or 45 just because there's a D next to some Democrat's name on any ballot. No. I'll get what honor her wish. This is why there's a story from Ruth Bader Ginsburg's daughter about why she hung in there. And it has to do with Mrs. Clinton. It has to do with the fact that she wanted to wait. She wanted to have Hillary announce her replacement. She wanted to give Hillary Rodham. She wanted a woman, first woman president. Ruth Bader Ginsburg supposedly wanted a first woman president to name her replacement. So Justice Ginsburg hung in there and hung in there and hung in there. And we know how it turned out. Hillary was not elected. The Democrats have refused to engage in a peaceful transfer of power since 2016. And these spoiled brat kid protesters who don't even know what they're talking about are running around to people, honor her wish, honor her. It's not her seat, you people. It is not Justice Ginsburg's seat.